In the vast, silent gulf between the stars, Voyager 1 glides onward, our most distant and solitary envoy, carrying the collective hopes of humanity into the unknown. For almost half a century, it has journeyed through the interstellar void, a symbol of our boundless curiosity and the unyielding drive to reach beyond the familiar. As of June 22, 2025, Voyager 1 is more than 15 billion miles from home. Its faint transmissions, racing at light speed, take nearly a day to arrive, reminding us just how immense the cosmos truly is. Originally built to explore the outer planets, Voyager's deeper purpose is discovery, carrying a golden record, a time capsule of our music, greetings, and dreams, into the endless dark. For decades, it has faithfully reported the faint whispers of cosmic rays, the fading breath of the solar wind, and the deep, cold silence at the edge of our solar system. After crossing the heliopause, Voyager entered true interstellar space, a relic from the 1970s, now braving the infinite unknown, alone but undeterred. But today, that silence is shattered by something extraordinary. Suddenly, Voyager's data changes, detecting something new, something it was never meant to encounter, a mystery emerging from the blackness. One of its sensors picks up a structured repeating signal, a pulse in the void, a rhythm that hints at purpose. Back on Earth, scientists gather, their hearts racing in time with this impossible beat, eyes wide with wonder and disbelief. The evidence is clear. Voyager 1 is no longer alone out there. Multiple instruments confirm the anomaly. Something is interacting with the probe, something unknown, perhaps even intelligent. The magnetic field detector senses a disturbance, moving with a deliberate pattern, as if guided by an unseen intelligence. It's as though something has reached out from the darkness to tap Voyager 1, a gentle touch from the unknown. The universe, silent for eons, now seems ready to speak, its voice echoing across the endless night. Our tiny probe, a message in a cosmic bottle, is the first to receive this reply, a signal from the unknown. The news electrifies the scientific world, sparking questions that could forever alter our understanding of the universe. At last, humanity's message has been answered. The universe is no longer silent. To truly appreciate this event, you need to understand Voyager 1's legacy. Launched back in 1977, its onboard tech is ancient by modern standards, less advanced than the phone in your pocket. Still, it delivered humanity's first detailed glimpses of Jupiter and Saturn, unveiling cosmic marvels we'd only dreamed of. Its journey was called the Grand Tour, a bold mission to explore the outer planets, requiring vision and daring. Voyager 1 isn't just hardware, it's humanity's envoy to the stars. On board is the Golden Record, a cosmic greeting filled with Earth's sounds, images, and music for any who might find it. After passing Saturn, its mission was extended into the unknown, braving the harshness of interstellar space and the slow fading of its power. Voyager 1 now stands as a testament to our drive, our endless curiosity, determination, and hope for discovery. So when this ancient probe sends back a signal that no one can explain, it's more than just a technical oddity. It's as if our message in a bottle has finally received an answer. The idea that something, or someone, has discovered Voyager 1 changes everything. It started as a faint murmur, a ripple in the endless quiet of space, barely perceptible yet undeniably present. Voyager 1's transmissions revealed minute irregularities, a flawless, unwavering frequency, something rarely found in nature, threading through the static like a haunting melody. Initial suspicions pointed to a technical glitch, but every diagnostic returned normal. The mystery deepened. No errors, only questions. The signal persisted, steady, foreign, unmistakably intentional. Suddenly, other instruments activated, as if responding to an invisible command. The magnetometer detected a concentrated, pulsing magnetic field, its rhythm intricate and unfamiliar, unlike any previous encounter. Voyager wasn't merely traversing a strange sector. It was being scrutinized, examined by an intelligence beyond our own. On Earth, a mix of wonder and apprehension swept through the control room as the reality of the situation became clear. It felt as though the cosmos itself was watching us, its attention focused and profound. Voyager's orientation shifted, inexplicably turning toward the source, something its programming should never allow, yet it was happening. It was as if an unseen mind was guiding the probe, steering it with deliberate care. The cosmic ray detector fell silent. Voyager enveloped in a protective field, shielded from the universe, cocooned in tranquility. Whatever force was at work, it created a serene bubble around Voyager 1, a haven amid the cosmic unknown. The message was unmistakable. We are present. Take notice. The signal was intentional, impossible to dismiss. For the first time, humanity listened as one, captivated by the mystery, united in anticipation. The control room held its breath, watching as Voyager responded to an external force, history unfolding before their eyes. The hush of cosmic rays gave way to expectation, a collective sense that something remarkable was imminent. The universe had extended a hand, and Voyager became the conduit, bridging two worlds across the vast expanse. The data stream was a clear invitation, a beckoning to engage with the unknown. Humanity's long silence had ended, the universe had answered, and we were no longer alone in the darkness. How could anyone describe what Voyager encountered? Its cameras failed to capture the sight, but the instruments revealed something extraordinary. This was no solid object, rather a lattice of energy and fields, breaking every rule we know. Magnetometer readings hinted at a colossal, weightless form, alive with shifting geometric light. Picture a cathedral woven from magnetic fields and plasma, constantly transforming before Voyager's sensors. Even space-time itself seemed to ripple as Voyager's radio signals subtly warped and bent. Scientists imagined a radiant web, alive with shifting colors, pulsing in hypnotic patterns. It wasn't a vessel or a station, but something more abstract, a living concept, made real. This was technology so advanced it felt like pure magic, selecting Voyager for a moment of cosmic contact. It started with a subtle gesture, as if the cosmos itself extended a hand across the infinite void. The mysterious object emitted a burst of energy, encoded with prime numbers. A universal signal, a mathematical greeting that any intelligent species would recognize as deliberate. This was the universe's version of a handshake, a sign of acknowledgement from the unknown. On Earth, mathematicians and scientists were moved to tears, awestruck by the magnitude of the event. It was the confirmation humanity had longed for, evidence that we are not alone among the stars. Next, the object resonated with Voyager's golden record. Not physically, but by vibrating in harmony with its structure, causing its contents to play out into the silence of space, as if inviting the universe to listen in. Voyager's instruments detected echoes of Earth's voices, music, and sounds, now being experienced by an alien intelligence, absorbing the essence of our planet. In return, a torrent of information arrived, intricate geometric shapes and mathematical ideas, a language of reason and elegance. The transmission included a depiction of the hydrogen atom, followed by a representation of a new, unfamiliar element, a lesson in cosmic science, a gift of discovery, and an invitation to explore further. The sheer volume of data was staggering, a deluge that would take generations to fully decipher, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and technology. The final transmission, a map of the universe, with two locations marked, our own galaxy and a distant cluster, a cosmic invitation to reach out. Then, a pattern unmistakably representing DNA appeared, but it was not human, a new genetic blueprint for life. The message was clear. This is us. This is you. We are both life, born from the same cosmic origins. We are threads in the same cosmic tapestry, woven together across the universe. The exchange was serene, a sharing of wisdom and understanding, a promise of future communication. Humanity's call had been answered, its echo now resonating through the stars. The universe had reached out, and we were no longer alone, forever transformed by this encounter. A new chapter in the story of life had begun, as the universe welcomed us into its grand design. At NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, tension and anticipation filled the air. Voyager 1 was sending back a flood of information, amplified by the mysterious object's signal. Teams raced to decode every fragment, aware that each byte could change our understanding of the universe. Experts from around the globe united, working day and night to unravel the cryptic transmissions. Patterns of prime numbers and universal constants emerged, clear signs of intelligent intent. News outlets erupted. Voyager 1 had established contact with something beyond our world. Across the globe, people gazed skyward, united in wonder and disbelief. The golden record became a symbol of hope, its melodies echoing everywhere. Scientists were hailed as pioneers, their discoveries sparking a new era of exploration. The world watched, spellbound, as the extraordinary story unfolded. Our call had been answered. The cosmos was no longer silent. A new chapter in humanity's journey among the stars had begun. The consequences are staggering. The question, "Are we alone?" has finally been answered. And the answer is no. The cosmos is teeming with life and intelligence. Our understanding of our place in the universe is transformed. We are newcomers on an immense cosmic stage. The information we've received is invaluable, unlocking mysteries in physics, chemistry, and biology, and offering our first look at alien genetic material. This discovery paves the way for xenobiology and revolutionary technologies. Our beliefs and philosophies must evolve. We are but one note in a vast cosmic symphony. The encounter was peaceful, a gesture of goodwill, not hostility. The object replied to our science, our music, and our shared humanity. It recognized us as a single species, bound by wonder and aspiration. In light of this, our differences seem insignificant. The universe has revealed our capacity for unity and greatness. This is the threshold of a new era, the birth of humanity's cosmic journey. Our mission will evolve from simply exploring to truly connecting, understanding, and responding to the universe. Together, we'll unite across nations to build powerful observatories, craft daring new probes, and set our sights on the distant stars. The insights we gain may one day open the door to interstellar voyages. New generations will gaze upward, inspired by the promise of discovery and the hope of cosmic neighbors. We venture into the unknown, not just to witness its wonders, but to uncover the truth of our own existence. The future calls us to the stars, where unimaginable discoveries await.